everyone. I got the ad from my local price chopper, and their cantaloupes were on sale for $1.99 each. So guess what we're doing this week? I bought me 5 of these. We'll see how much of a freeze dryer load I can get out of these. So let's cut them in half. Let's see what the quality is on the inside of them. Oh yeah, they look good. Scoop out our seeds first. Not much to really show you about doing cantaloupe. This should be a short video. But we'll go through the steps I take. Alright. Got 2 of those done. I like to just go like that. And cut those in manageable little slices. Kind of like that. Just kind of cut the nice flesh out of that. And cut them into chunks. Alright, there we go, 4 trays. And I averaged 1 melon per tray. Those are just over about 2¼ pounds per tray. So we'll get those into the freezer, get them frozen solid. Next time you see them, they'll be coming out of the freeze dryer. I'll see you then. There we have it. Check that out. 40 hours plus in the freeze dryer. All that beautiful cantaloupe, looking nice and airy and puffy and dry. So let's get this bagged up. I don't know how much I'm going to end up, how many pouches I'm going to end up with, so I didn't label these. Just kind of making a snack size pouch. Using the single meal pouches. I'm kind of putting what I think would be a nice snack size portion in there. Okay, I got 12 pouches there. I got this pouch of O2s that I resealed after using some, so we'll put those in there. And for this week, we'll just put these in my vacuum dish here, and this is what we'll snack on this week. I always like to have something to snack on. Better than a Hostess cupcake or something. Let's leave a couple out there for a taste test. right. Those vacuum sealed up. Let's use our previously opened, these are 300cc O2 absorbers. Let's put one of each one of these and get them zip-locked shut out of the humidity. All right. While we wait for that to finish heating up, let's taste a few of these. Nice and airy and light. Crispy. Oh man. Oh yeah. Those are gorgeous. Candy. And actually I think that's a brand, the type of cantaloupe these were called candy. And this is like candy. Oh man. It just dissolves in your mouth. Oh yeah. I'm going to enjoy eating those this week. Okay, that's heated up. Get these sealed real quick. So I ended up with 12 pouches of these. There you have it. What we'll do is we'll let these sit out for a day or so. I'll get them labeled up. Let them sit out for a day or so, make sure all the seals hold up, which I'm sure they will. It's a fantastic sealer. Then we'll put them away for long-term storage. I got all these to chow down on the during the week at my computer. So, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and you're not intimidated to try and do some cantaloupe, because those come out delicious. I thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time.